one more culvert coming up, just up here. Okay, so passing through another rock cut here, you can see just small, just a couple of feet high, nothing overly crazy. And maybe from that rock cut, they took the rock to make this next rock culvert. This one is not in particularly good shape. Probably the worst of the three, and probably one of the worst ones that I've seen. So here's the marker. Again, I don't know. Some of the markers are hard to read now, and I don't know if I got the mileage the last time we were through here. I don't know. I wrote down 143.42. I don't know what that translates into the Kinghorn one. So what we're going to do for this one is we're actually going to use some old footage. It's really grown in and it was hard to get in there. So we're going to use our 2021 footage. Okay, so we've made our way down here on the south side. And so what we're doing is taking a look at the opening of this very, very unusual thing. I've never seen one this small before. But what we have here is a small little rock culvert. Again, very unusual to see these. You don't really see these very much. I'm guessing, I could be wrong here, I'm guessing stuff like this is usually original construction. If they were going to replace things, they were not going to do it like this. So I'm guessing this dates back to that 1911 to the end of 1913 period when the railway line was built. I guess, again, this is not, I would guess this is not something that would be done afterwards. So we're going to jump the grade and go take a look at what's going on the other side. All right, so we made our way down on the north side, and so here you can see the northern opening of the culvert. Again, very, very small, but kind of neat. You can see a little bit more into the opening. I'm trying to move Luna over here because she's in my way. You can see kind of there's a big slab of rock on the top, and then you can see sort of the smaller rocks that kind of made up the inside. You can see the moss that's growing on the top of the rock. Again, can't be 100% certain, but this judging by the moss on the rocks and kind of the way it's arranged, again, this looks like it could have been here for a long time, possibly dating back to original construction. Okay, so what we're going to do is hop back up on the grade here and keep pushing our way to the south towards milepost 45. Okay, here we go again. It's almost noon here. Again, way slower than I thought it would be. Mind you, it is a longer hike. I did have some technical issues, had to refilm that first section, pretty much the whole first video all over again. So passing through another cut here. Everything seems okay back there. Like I said, it seems like she's really kind of embraced the trailer. All right, let's zip you ahead until our next stop. Okay, so we have a culvert here. This is a metal one. We're not going to bother stopping because we have something better coming up just right here. So we have the milepost 43 marker. So again, that is the mileage on the Kinghorn. So for the original line, that would be 143.8. Okay, that means 2 miles to go. So here, every once in a while, you get kind of these little low spots here. They did dig gravel. They did dig ballast for the line alongside the grade. And I'm going to show you an example of that up when we get to the other side of the bridge. I'm actually going to show you a thing back from just after the railway line was built where they actually mentioned that. So here you can kind of see these spots here where it looks like they've dug material out of. Okay, let's zoom ahead a little bit more here. Just to jump in and break up this little zoom ahead here, you'll notice this part is very long and very straight. Seems like there's a little bit of an incline here as we're going west. I can kind of see where it looks like we're kind of going up ever so slightly, but this is one of the longer straight sections on this line here as we skirt the northern shore of Partridge Lake. There's a big partridge sitting right on the side of the grade. That one's a big one. It's not even moving. It's not even moving. Luna's probably losing her mind. Sometimes they don't move. This is kind of a quiet stretch here. There's not too much going on. Just lots of straight, and I don't see anything on my GPS here. So here again, you can see it looks like they dug out material. And again, I'm going to talk about that in the last segment of this episode. All right, we got a stopping point here. There's a culvert. Good opportunity to do a battery checkaroo. .43. .40, which is 144.2. Okay. Let's pause here for a second, and then we'll resume in momentarily.